Hey there, and welcome to Getting Sexy Back. I'm thrilled you're joining me today as we dive into a topic that's crucial for your overall health and vitality, your liver. Now, you might be wondering why we're talking about the liver on a show called Getting Sexy Back. Well, believe it or not, this powerhouse organ plays a key role in how you look, feel, and function every single day. From your energy levels to your skin's glow, your liver is working tirelessly behind the scenes. So let's uncover how this unsung hero of your body can help you truly get your sexy back. Let's dive into why your liver is such a crucial player in your overall health. This powerhouse organ impacts so many aspects of how you feel and look every day. Think about your energy levels. When your liver is functioning optimally, it efficiently processes nutrients and helps regulate your blood sugar, giving you steady, consistent energy throughout the day. But it doesn't stop there. Your liver also plays a key role in weight management. It metabolizes fats and helps balance hormones that control hunger and satiety. When your liver is overburdened, it can lead to unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing those extra pounds. And let's not forget about your skin. A healthy liver helps detoxify your body, which can result in clearer, more radiant skin. Many people don't realize that persistent skin issues can often be traced back to liver health. Now, what's putting stress on our livers? Unfortunately, many of our daily habits. That extra glass of wine, processed foods, and even some medications can overwork this vital organ. Environmental toxins we encounter every day also add to the liver's workload. It's like asking your liver to run a marathon without proper training. Eventually, it's going to struggle to keep up. Let's dive deeper into the incredible functions of your liver and how to recognize when it might be struggling. Your liver is truly a marvel of nature, performing over 500 vital functions in your body. But today, we'll focus on 3 key roles that directly impact how you feel every day. First up is detoxification. Your liver acts as your body's personal filtration system, constantly working to remove toxins from your blood. It breaks down harmful substances like alcohol, medications, and environmental pollutants, transforming them into less harmful compounds that your body can eliminate. This process is crucial for maintaining your overall health and preventing the buildup of harmful substances in your system. Next, let's talk about hormone regulation. Your liver plays a pivotal role in balancing hormones in your body. It helps to break down and eliminate excess hormones, including estrogen and aldosterone. When your liver is functioning optimally, it helps maintain hormonal balance, which can impact everything from your mood to your metabolism. Lastly, your liver is essential for digestion. It produces bile, a substance that helps break down fats in your small intestine. This not only aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, but also helps regulate your cholesterol levels. Your liver also stores and releases glucose as needed, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Now, how can you tell if your liver needs some extra support? There are several signs to watch out for. Persistent fatigue is a common indicator. If you're feeling constantly tired, even after a good night's sleep, your liver might be struggling to keep up with its detoxification duties. Unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight can also be a sign of liver stress. Remember, your liver plays a crucial role in metabolism and fat breakdown. When it's not functioning optimally, you might find it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Other signs include digestive issues like bloating or constipation, skin problems such as acne or eczema, and even mood swings or irritability. These seemingly unrelated symptoms can all be tied back to liver function. If you're experiencing any of these signs, don't panic. Your liver has an incredible ability to regenerate and heal when given the right support. In the next section, we'll explore some practical steps you can take to give your liver the love it deserves. Now, let's talk about the amazing benefits you can experience when you give your liver the support it needs. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. That's not just a dream. It's what many people experience when they prioritize their liver health. One of the most noticeable changes is a significant boost in energy levels. Your liver plays a crucial role in converting nutrients into energy, so when it's functioning optimally, you'll feel the difference. No more mid-afternoon slumps or feeling exhausted by dinner time. Instead, you'll have sustained energy throughout the day. But the benefits don't stop there. Your skin can also undergo a remarkable transformation. The liver helps to eliminate toxins from your body, and when it's working efficiently, it shows on your skin. Many people report a clearer complexion, reduced acne, and a healthy, natural glow. It's like turning back the clock on your skin. Digestive issues can also become a thing of the past. A healthy liver produces bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and absorbing nutrients. When your liver is supported, you may notice improvements in digestion, reduced bloating, and more regular bowel movements. Weight management becomes easier too. The liver plays a key role in metabolizing fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. When it's functioning well, your body becomes more efficient at using these nutrients for energy rather than storing them as fat. Mental clarity is another fantastic benefit. The liver helps to filter toxins from your blood, including those that can affect brain function. Many people report feeling more focused and clear-headed when they support their liver health. Hormone balance is yet another area where liver health shines. The liver helps to regulate hormone levels in your body. By supporting it, you may experience improvements in mood, reduced PMS symptoms for women, and better overall hormonal balance. Lastly, a well-supported liver can boost your immune system. It produces immune factors that help your body fight off infections and diseases. This means you could find yourself getting sick less often and recovering more quickly when you do. All these benefits work together to create a profound impact on your overall quality of life. You'll not only look better, but feel better too. It's like unlocking a new level of health and vitality you didn't even know was possible. Now that we understand the importance of liver health, let's dive into some practical steps you can take to support this vital organ. First and foremost, focus on your diet. Incorporate liver-loving foods like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and berries into your meals. These are packed with antioxidants that help your liver function optimally. Try to reduce your intake of processed foods, sugar, and alcohol. These can put unnecessary stress on your liver. Instead, opt for whole organic foods whenever possible. Hydration is also key. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to help flush toxins from your system. Consider adding some liver-supportive herbs to your routine. Milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric are all known for their liver-boosting properties. You can find these in supplement form or as teas. Beyond diet, lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Regular exercise helps improve liver function by reducing fat accumulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Stress management is another crucial factor. Chronic stress can negatively impact liver health, so incorporate stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. Lastly, be mindful of environmental toxins. Use natural cleaning products and personal care items to reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. For more detailed information and resources, head over to our website. We have a wealth of articles, recipes, and tips to support your liver health journey. And if you're looking for personalized guidance, don't forget that we offer one-on-one consultations to help you create a tailored liver health plan. Remember, small changes can lead to big results when it comes to your liver health. We've covered a lot about liver health today, from its crucial role in your overall well-being to simple ways you can support it. Remember, your liver impacts everything from your energy levels to your skin health. By making small changes like adding liver-friendly foods to your diet, you can make a big difference. Don't forget to check out our website for more tips and resources. Join our community for support on your journey to better liver health. Your liver does so much for you. It's time to return the favor.